the bright blue sky. Kids wave and laugh, watch them soar, the little birds we adore. Birds chirp and sing a happy song. Kids clap along all day long. Colors so bright, red, blue, and green. The little birds, a lovely scene. Birds find a tree where they can rest. Kids gather round, they're the best. Feathers so soft, so light and free. The little birds in the tree. Birds peck at seeds, munch and chew. Kids help to feed, it's fun to do. Together they play in sun and shade. The little birds in a parade. Birds flap their wings, ready to fly. Kids wave goodbye, don't be shy. Off they go in the evening light. The little birds out of sight. Nighttime comes, stars shine bright. Kids dream of birds all through the night. Morning comes, a new day starts. The little birds in our hearts. The wheels on the bus go spin, spin, spin. Spin, 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 spin. The wheels on the bus go spin, spin, spin all through the town. The lights on the bus go blink, blink, blink. Blink, 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 blink. The lights on the bus go blink, blink, blink all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and close. Open and close. Open and close. The doors on the bus go open and close all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. Swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all through the town. The kids on the bus go laugh, laugh, laugh. Laugh, 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 laugh. The kids on the bus go laugh, laugh, laugh all through the town. The driver on the bus says, have a great day. Have a great day, have a great day. The driver on the bus says, have a great day all through the town. The bus on the road goes zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. The bus on the road goes zoom, zoom, zoom all through the town. Little Jack Horner sat in a corner, eating a slice of pie. He stuck in his fork and pulled out a strawberry and said, what a clever boy am I. With a smile on his face, he savored each taste, thinking of sweet summer days. The pie was a treat, so juicy and sweet, it brightened his world in many ways. He dreamed of adventures, of forests and treasures, and stories that never would end. In his cozy little nook, with a pie and a book, Jack found the best place to pretend.
Big and gray, a
elephant strong walks in the jungle all day long with a trunk so long and grand. He's the biggest in the land. Elephant loves to splash and play in the water every day. With his friends he squirts and sprays, having fun in many ways. Big ears flapping to and fro, listening to the sounds that grow. Trumpets loudly, what a sound, echoes all around the ground. Elephant eats with a mighty munch, leaves and grass for his lunch. With a swish and a sway, he munches leaves all day. In the jungle he likes to roam with his family. He's never alone. They walk together, a mighty line through the trees, feeling fine. Elephant's tusks are shiny white, gleaming in the morning light. Strong and mighty through the years, full of wisdom, no more fears. Big and gentle, kind and wise, with twinkling friendly eyes. Elephant, oh so grand, loved by all in the land. Big and gray, elephant strong, walks in the jungle all day long. With a trunk so long and grand, he's the biggest in the land. Elephant loves to splash and play in the water every day. With his friends he squirts and sprays, having fun in many ways. In the jungle he likes to roam, with his family he's never alone. They walk together, a mighty line through the trees, feeling fine.